How to remove media upload from Snapchat streaks. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can remove media upload from Snapchat streaks. For those people who don't know, Snapchat has introduced an update that now you cannot send fake streaks or fake snaps from your camera roll on the streaks. So it is written media upload at the top of it, along with the time and date that when that media was taken, and specifying it that the sender has uploaded the media from their gallery. So in order to avoid that, what you have to do is open your settings app, and once you're in your settings app, scroll down until you find the option general. So just click on general. After coming to general, you'll have to click on this iPhone storage, and here search for Snapchat. Now once you find a Snapchat, just click Snapchat, and here click on offload app. So here this will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep all the documents and data, and after that you will reinstall the app, but the app icon will be on your home screen. You just have to tap the app icon and the app will automatically reinstall, and the data and documents will be reserved. Then come back to your Snapchat. If the issue still doesn't get resolved, what you have to do is delete the Snapchat app. And download it through any APK. If you have any APK, well and good, download it from there, or I suggest you to download it on an Android phone. Like, just take your Android phone, delete the Snapchat over there, go to the web browser and search for Snapchat's old version, and download the Snapchat's old version, because this update is on the Snapchat's new version, so it was not there in the old version. So just go to the web browser and download the Snapchat's old version on Android. And if you do have any APK file downloader or any settings like that on your iPhone, so you can just go to the Safari and search for Snapchat older version and download it from Safari. Download the APK and then install it on your phone. So the only way to remove the media upload from the Snapchat snaps is downloading the older version of Snapchat from the browser. So that is how you can remove the media upload from Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.